They say Mars is the next giant leap for mankind. Imagine a day when humans walk on Martian soil, and this isn't some distant sci-fi fantasy. What if I told you that day might be closer than you think? Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of SpaceX's grand plan to make Mars home. Elon Musk and his team are not just dreaming about it, they're building it. The question is, how are they doing it? And how soon could humans actually set foot on Mars? Let's break it all down, starting with the heart of the mission. The Starship. This is no ordinary spacecraft. Picture something the size of a skyscraper, capable of carrying up to 100 people, not just to orbit, but across the vastness of space to another planet. The Starship represents a radical shift in space travel, fully reusable, enormously powerful, and designed for interplanetary voyages. It's like the ultimate travel camper for space, built to Mars specifications. Now, getting to Mars isn't just about having the right craft. Enter the plan, a methodical, step-by-step strategy that involves launching numerous missions to prepare for human life on the red planet. First up, uncrewed cargo missions. These initial trips will carry essential supplies, habitat structures, and possibly even robots to help set up shop. It's like moving into your new home and finding all the furniture already in place. Then, there's the matter of fuel. SpaceX has a bold vision, refueling the Starship on Mars using in-situ resource utilization, which is a fancy way of saying they'll make fuel on another planet. Imagine a gas station millions of miles away that manufactures its own fuel using Sabatier reaction, combining Martian CO2 and hydrogen brought from Earth. It's pioneering, innovative, but also necessary when you're far from home. Besides logistics, there's the sheer challenge of the journey. We're talking about a 6-month trip through the vacuum of space. SpaceX's solution? Developing reliable life support systems, radiation shielding, and contingency plans for emergencies. These aren't just tech challenges, they're life and death puzzles, and SpaceX is putting them at the forefront. But why Mars? It's dry, cold, and millions of miles from our comfortable blue planet. Yet Musk believes in something bigger, making life multiplanetary. Imagine the sense of adventure, pushing the boundaries, testing human limits. It's about survival, but also about thriving. It's about securing the human race from potential extinction, a backup plan for humanity. Let's pause for a moment. How does all this affect us on Earth, and why pay attention? Picture the technological advancements, the skills and knowledge gained. Think of how tech used for Mars could transform industries back home, advanced materials, energy solutions, even medicine. Keep in mind, each step is preparing us for something far beyond just landing. It's the beginning of a new era. With the Starship, Elon Musk not only aims for Mars, but envisions a fleet, regular trips, colonization efforts, and creating a sustainable ecosystem off Earth. Picture a Martian city, bustling with researchers, engineers, and visionaries. Earthlings, now Martians, united by one epic quest. What you've heard is just the tip of the iceberg. With every new launch, SpaceX gets closer to Mars. From the rigorous testing of rocket prototypes in South Texas to resolving intricate engineering dilemmas, every step is charged with purpose and relentless drive. So, what's next? Exactly how SpaceX plans to build, sustain, and troubleshoot an entire settlement on Mars. It's a story in progress, and one that continues to evolve, opening doors to endless possibilities. Consider the leap from prototypes to the real deal. SpaceX is not just constructing spacecraft, they're transforming our very notion of what is possible with engineering and vision. Each Starship test flight tells a tale of trial and error, triumph over adversity, and incremental progress. Viewed from afar, it might seem like a series of explosions and crunch landings, but look closer, and you'll see a massive learning curve being climbed, rung by rung. Let's dive a bit deeper into the stepwise journey of SpaceX. After the initial probing missions and setting up basic infrastructures, we're looking at the next monumental challenge, the first human mission. It's not just about the voyage, but ensuring those on board are equipped for the unexpected, from cosmic radiation to psychological impacts of isolation. Training for these pioneers is unprecedented. It's like turning adventurers into astrobiologists, technicians, and astronauts, prepared for just about anything Mars throws their way. Now picture this: astronauts touching down on the Martian surface. But how do we transition from a small group of explorers to the dream of a bustling colony? The answer lies in the technology of self-sufficiency. SpaceX isn't planning one-off trips, they're about permanence. Think agriculture on Mars, harnessing Martian resources to grow food using hydroponics and aeroponics. The aim? To create a mini self-sustaining Earth where humans can live, work, and innovate. But how about the energy needs of a Martian settlement? Solar panels top the list, considering Mars' distance from the Sun. However, there's also talk of nuclear energy, providing a stable and efficient power source. The goal is inexhaustible: clean power to fuel life support systems, communication arrays, and more, all while being miles from earthly support. We all know SpaceX's ambitions go beyond transportation. They're about infrastructure. It's one thing to land humans on Mars, but another to ensure constant communication with Earth. Satellites orbiting Mars could play a crucial role. Not only this, but reliable Earth-Martian internet is part of the future vision, developed from their Starlink innovations. It's an unbroken link, a lifeline connecting two worlds. Pause for a moment. Imagine the cultural shift from these monumental achievements. Humans on Mars isn't just scientific, it's cultural, philosophical. We'll ponder deeper questions. How does space exploration redefine humanity, identity, belonging? As we expand our civilization beyond Earth, how do we carry forward our values and cultures? It's an existential leap just as much as it is a physical one. And let's not forget about safety. For people on Mars, going outside is no simple walk. SpaceX is innovating beyond spacesuits to Mars suits, tailored specifically for life on the Martian terrain. Robust enough for exploration, yet flexible and comfortable for long durations, these suits are akin to wearing parts of a spacecraft and are vital for survival. Now, the return journey, a critical chapter of SpaceX's Mars saga. It's not just about going, but coming back, a round-trip ticket. Remember the in-situ refueling? It ensures the Starship can make it home. This technology isn't just innovative, but revolutionary, proving the feasibility of Earth-Mars transit and back, showcasing a cycle akin to early transatlantic flights, which once seemed impossible but are now routine. But let's talk long-term, looking beyond just a handful of missions and toward regular travel. As SpaceX continues to iterate and refine, each mission is a step closer to routine space travel. Mars could become not just a destination, but a domain of human activity, industry, and society. All this hinges on perseverance and vision. The true space race isn't country versus country, but the collective human spirit against the vastness of space. SpaceX is cracking this open. It's a journey of countless firsts, urgencies, and innovations, and every leap forward clips away another inch at breaking interplanetary isolation. So why should you care? What's in it for the dreamers, the thinkers, or even the skeptical observers? Space exploration is more than just a series of distant goals. It's an opportunity for growth and inspiration. These missions inspire the next generation of innovators, pushing boundaries in STEM fields. They challenge us to think bigger, to be more visionary, to collaborate on a global level. The Martian dream is not just SpaceX's dream. It's a human endeavor, a universal pursuit, one made from the fusion of effort, dreams, and the spark of the imaginable. As SpaceX forges ahead, it shows us what can become when ambition meets reality. A world where we don't just look at the stars but live among them. What's unfolding is more than just a story. It's history in the making, and you're invited to witness its shaping. As SpaceX continues its charge, the question is less about if, but when. With every rocket launch and orbit achieved, the day when humans call Mars home draws ever nearer. Join us again as we continue to unravel this extraordinary narrative, a story of audacity, heart, and the drive to see what's beyond the horizon. Don't switch off now, because the adventure to Mars is only just beginning. As we bring this extraordinary tale to a close, let's reflect on the tremendous journey we've glimpsed. SpaceX is not just pushing the boundaries of technology, it's pushing the boundaries of human imagination and potential. Each calculated step towards Mars is not just about making something seemingly impossible possible, but about opening a portal to a future where the stars are no longer out of reach. For us here on Earth, it's a promise of what's to come, a future where dreams meet reality. It's an invitation to think bigger, look farther, and believe in a world where human curiosity transcends the confines of our atmosphere. Now, if this journey excites you, and you're eager to stay on top of every twist and turn in this saga, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our community as we explore the ever-evolving stories of innovation and exploration. And share this video with fellow space enthusiasts who dream of the stars, and maybe even of walking on Mars. Together, let's keep our eyes on the horizon. After all, the next great chapter in space exploration is being written right now.